Cellular sentience, listening to your body. Scientists call anomalies miracles until there are enough of them to form a new science. But why wait? If you can imagine it, you can have it. The only limit is whether you choose to cooperate with your own vision. Your body is not just flesh and bone. It is a library of ancient wisdom, holding secrets far deeper than modern medicine often acknowledges. For centuries, sages and mystics have said the body speaks if you learn to listen. What if your fatigue, your cravings, your aches weren't random, but coded messages from the smallest citizens of your being, your cells? What if everything you thought you knew about your body's intelligence was wrong? So we have been taught to look outside ourselves for help. But what if the most profound healer is already within you, whispering through your cells? Now prepare to challenge the common belief that your body is just a collection of parts and discover its ancient inherent wisdom. In this video, we are going to explore how to hear your cells whispering, understand their language, and unlock your body's inherent intelligence. Stay until the end because I'll share a practice that can shift how you relate to your health starting tonight. So the body's ancient wisdom. Long before we had scans and lab tests, people relied on something else: intuition. Stories from indigenous cultures, even everyday mothers all reveal the same truth. The body often knows before the mind catches up. Think of the hunch that saves you from danger, or the gut feeling that tells you a food is wrong. That's not superstition, that is your biology whispering in real time. This ancient wisdom sets the stage for a deeper exploration. Beneath muscles and bones lies an intelligent network. Some call it the innate, in other cultures it is known as the smart body. It is an intricate web of communication, a collective consciousness of the cells in your body, where each cell is not just a passive part but an active communicator. Now, how to decode cellular whispers? Modern science is uncovering what ancient traditions intuited, that your cells talk constantly. Neuroscientists map cellular networks, exchanging signals faster than we can think. Epigenetics shows us that genes aren't fixed blueprints, they shift based on your choices, your stress levels, even your sense of purpose in life. So research on cellular memory reveals something profound. Cells can remember trauma, adapt to new environments, and even carry imprints of past experiences. This means every cell is not just living, it's listening, adapting, remembering. So we are talking about our cells not just as an unconscious blob of matter, but living consciousness. So they aren't listening in the usual sense. They are vibrational units, constantly in relationship and communication with the vibrations around them. So your mind is one of those vibrations. When you think a thought, you emit a vibration that influences your body. Your cells don't judge or reject it. They simply adjust and resonate with it, either uplifted or hindered by the frequency you hold in your consciousness. So instead of saying my cells are listening, it's more accurate to say that my cells are conscious vibration responding to the tunings of my mind. Think about it. From that original blob of cells in the womb, some cells knew how to become eyes, others hair, others organs. This intelligence is extraordinary. But do we have separate eyeball cells or heart cells? Or is it that the cells cooperate and align with the broader image projected by consciousness? That broader consciousness is what shapes reality, yet most scientists only study what already exists, so evolution appears slow. But if we learn to communicate and connect with this broader intelligence, miracles or anomalies happen. So one may question why people don't heal from fatal illnesses or terminal diagnosis. They don't, but not because it's impossible, only because it isn't believed and understood yet. So belief itself sets the boundary. Scientists call anomalies miracles until there are enough of them to form a new science. But why wait? If you can imagine it, you can have it. The only limit is whether you choose to cooperate with your own vision. So when your body whispers through fatigue, inflammation, cravings, that is not noise, that is intelligence trying to reach you. We are taught to see symptoms as problems to silence. Headache, take a pill. Anxiety, numb it. Inflammation, suppress it. But what if the symptoms are sentences in the body's language? A migraine may be your nervous system begging for quiet and peace. Chronic tension might be your cells saying, this lifestyle or this rhythm is not sustainable. We know that stress hormones alter immune cell function within minutes. We know that suppressed emotions show up as measurable chemical changes in the blood. Case after case proves this. People ignoring whispers until they roar. Burnout, autoimmune flares, heart disease, these are not random punishments. They are conversations ignored for too long. Now, coming on to how to cultivate cellular harmony. So how do we respond? How do we create harmony instead of conflict within our own biology? Within biology. First and foremost, mindfulness awareness. Even 5 minutes of silence allows your nervous system to recalibrate and your cells to shift from defense into healing mode. Second, imagination and biofeedback. Picture and feel your body repairing. Studies show imagery alters physiology, blood pressure lowers, immune markers improve. Third, lifestyle as a dialogue. Hydration, whole foods, movement, sunlight. These aren't just habits, they are nutrients your cells recognize as messages of safety and support. The more you practice, the clearer the conversation becomes. So your body starts to feel less like a battleground and more like a trusted partner. Now, how to embrace your inner healer. This is the shift from outsourcing health entirely to systems and experts to reclaiming your role as the primary translator of your own cellular language. When you trust that your cells carry intelligence, when you respond to their signals with respect, healing stops being an endless chase for fixes. It becomes a dialogue, a collaboration. So the future of health isn't one size fits all. It's personalized, guided by the wisdom of your own body. And that future can start now. So tonight, before you sleep, place your hands on your chest and your belly and simply ask, what do you need from me? And then wait, the whisper will come. And that's where true healing begins. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.